It is James' birthday, and I decided to cook for his entire party of 30 plus people. That means 2 grocery runs, 2 massive trays of roasted chicken, and 2 trays of baked sushi, and absolutely zero exact measurements. Just me, my gut, and a whole lot of love. Let's get into it.
Hi everyone! Today I'm going to do grocery and I'm going to T&T grocery shop. So T&T is an Asian store that I really love and it's located like in the malls, and also there's like an outside grocery store too. So today I'm going to the Coquitlam Center to do some of my errands today. First I'll go to Walmart. I think I'll buy my mittens because I still don't have it. And also I still don't have like a can opener, which is crazy. And I've been living here for like 2.5 years now. The reason why I'll do grocery is also because I'm going to cook something special and delicious for tomorrow's special day. So tomorrow is going to be James' birthday celebration party. So I'm going to cook roasted chicken with chicken thighs and chicken legs and sushi bake. So I'm really excited about that, and I hope I will find some great deals. So I'll just feed my attire for today, and then some leggings, my cute bow, and then I'll bring my Trader Joe's bag. And also for the frozen meat or something like that, I have my black eco bag. And for extra just in case, because I'll be doing it by myself, I'll bring my farmer's market bag. So nice, right? Coconut and a Port Moody one. So cute. Yeah. Buy local. Let's see and do some grocery shopping. Come with me. Hi everyone. It's so sunny today and I love it. Let's have a good day.
So the day before the party, I hopped on the train going to Coquitlam Center. The Coquitlam Center is a mall here in Coquitlam City, and I really love it because it is not that crowded, but also you can find all of the products that you need, and it's also very peaceful. So first stop would be Walmart, then T&T for all the Asian ingredients I needed. So first I'm gonna look for my mittens.
Should I pick the flash one, the black, or the blue? Wow, this is better, but it's also expensive. Yeah. Oh, I like it. Oh, they have like this too. Oh, it's so expensive though. It's $6 more. Is there like this only? Oh, I should get this one. What is this? 4 pieces in one. Yes, I don't think I need it for now. Maybe I'll just do this one. I'll just do this cheap one. Maybe the black or the blue. Oh, this looks cute. Let me try. So I decided to go with this one. It is cheap, $7. And what I like about it is that it has anti-slip. Like rubber. Let's get it. Found it. Maybe I'll do with this 3-ply kind of opener. I don't know what's the difference between the usual opener and this one. It's the same, no? What's the difference between this and that? The difference is only $1. Dishwasher safe. So now we're gonna look for some potatoes. And here it is. Uh-huh. I want this colored potatoes. Little reds, yellow pot. I want this so that I'll just have it in two. No need for additional cutting. Reds trios. Oh, this is nice. I actually first time need to know that there is also a cheaper one. It's a product of Canada. It's only $2.54, 680 grams. And the red ones are a bit expensive, $2.98. What should I get? So I finally grabbed some basket. And I will put some potato. One, and two. And then some reds. Let's find some seaweed. You can order. There's no one that does it. This one says so. It's here. They have you like that one best? No, I just don't. He said you.
Oh, Dorothy.
Yeah, there's Anthony.
I don't know.
Good job.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
No.
Good.
Indoors. I think you're all indoors. Yeah. I already took my water. And the other groceries are my friends, so she's gonna pay for it. Yeah, she's just going to get it. Maybe you can help me with this.
Next, T&T Supermarket. And actually, they are only beside each other with Walmart, which is very convenient. They have lots of dim sum varieties here that's ready to microwave or ready to be heated. As you can see, there's not only Chinese products, but you can also find Korean as well as Japanese products here. And of course, there's a lot of Filipino products too, Thai and Vietnamese products as well. So I'm now looking for some nori sheets for my baked sushi. As you can see, you can find lots of varieties here, from sardines to spam, which is pretty convenient. And now you can see the century tuna, which a lot of Filipinos love. So I grew up eating lots of century tuna, especially flakes and oil. So as much as possible, I'm really looking for all organic, especially the produce for chicken, meat, and even vegetables and fruits. Sometimes organics has a higher price, but I would say it's definitely worth it.
So fresh.
Honestly, grocery shopping for a crowd hits differently. The cart was full and I was already tired without even starting cooking yet.
So hi everyone, it's Marie again. Today I'm gonna show you what I bought from Safeway, Dollarama, Walmart, and T&T. First is Safeway. I will show you. I have this aluminum foil. This one, it's a heavy duty one. Since I haven't bought, I have this limcom sriracha mayo for my baked sushi. I have the lemon pepper. There you go. I have the paprika, smoked paprika. I also have the rice vinegar. It's also kikoman. I have the onion powder. And I have the refill for my garlic powder. I have the chicken poulet. So chicken granules. And for Dollarama, I bought something. It is for 10 foils for baking. I'm gonna use this for my sushi bake. Yeah, 2 because I'm gonna do like good for 20 people. And this has cover. And I also have big ones for my chicken. Okay, that's it for Dollarama and Safeway. Now I'm gonna show you what I bought in Walmart. Finally, I already have my mitten. Here we go, my mitten. And I'm so happy with the purchase. It has like anti-slip, so my dishes will not slip. And then I have the can opener. And I'm so confused about this because it says it's 3-ply, but I was like, why is it 3-ply? When I opened it, I was so shocked. Like, this one, why is it like this? I thought it's only like this, like that. And why is it like this? What is this for? I don't know. Well, let's find out. Alright. What else did I buy in Walmart? Yeah, I also bought some potatoes. Some chili potatoes. This is the red one. Yeah, little potato go. This is made in Canada. And I also bought some Buffalo mini potato. 2 of them. I will put some potato under the roasted chickens. And now I'm gonna show you what I bought in T&T. As you can see, I bought my favorite Filipino drink, C2. And I also bought kimchi. Kimchi ramen. Kimchi ramen. There you go. This is my favorite one, I think, so far. Ta-da-da. So I bought some canned tuna. This is my favorite tuna, especially back home. Tuna flakes in oil. Also, I bought some sushi nori seaweed. There you go. I'm gonna mix this for the sushi bake. I also bought red onion. I also bought carrots. I bought spring onions. Here we go. Everything's so fresh. I bought garlic, organic garlic. I bought the imitation crab for my sushi bake. Oh, lots of that. Lots of them. And apart from that, here are the drumstick, organic drumstick. Another one. So it is 6 in a pack. There we go. And voila! Yeah, I'm gonna organize everything of this and I'm gonna start preparing to marinate my chicken. Let's do it! Look at this.
The first thing I'm gonna do is to clean and wash all the chicken thighs and legs really well. Then I'm gonna dry them up completely with paper towels. So actually this step is very important because if the chicken is wet, the marinade won't stick properly. And we are not doing all of this work for a bland chicken. So for the marinade, I melted a butter with parsley and then added garlic powder, onion powder, chicken poulet, smoked paprika, lemon pepper, and salt to taste. And then I finished it off with an olive oil and mixed everything together, pour it over the chicken, and rub it in really well, every single piece. Then I covered it and left it in the fridge overnight. This is the secret. Letting it marinate overnight makes such a huge difference in flavor, so worth the wait. Next day, party day. I prepped the potatoes and carrots as a side dish. I washed them, cut them up, then tossed them with salt, garlic powder, olive oil, and whatever spices felt right. Pop them into the rack, and they were good to go. For the chicken, I took it straight from the fridge and drizzled a little more olive oil on top to keep it moist. Then into the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, and then flip the chicken in another 25 minutes, and then broil for 5 minutes to get that beautiful golden color. The smell in the kitchen was insane. While the chicken was cooking, I started on the baked sushi. I cooked the rice first, then seasoned it with sugar, salt, and rice vinegar, just like sushi rice. Laid the nori flat in the pan, added the rice, then mixed together with the crab sticks, tuna, sriracha mayo, and cream cheese. And spread that on top. Finish it with crushed nori, a drizzle of mayo and sriracha mayo. Then bake everything at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. And that's it! 2 trays of roasted chicken and 2 trays of baked sushi, all made from scratch, all for James' birthday party. I don't measure anything, and I just cook from the heart and what feels right. And honestly, it turned out so good. I hope everyone enjoyed it as much as I loved making it. Happy birthday, James! Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. See you in the next one.